Hello everyone, this is gonna be a short review of the contents that I'm gonna release for my Patreon channel for the month of January 2021. Yeah, the first project probably that I'm gonna release, I'm still working on some of them to make them better, but yeah, probably the first one is gonna be this one. It's Grid, that it's a sort of game. It's a grid that you are gonna control with your right hand with movements up and down or left and right, and then you have to prevent the grid from sagging. So I will show you an example. So I move my hand up, and then I go down with my hand. Then I can move it a little bit on the side, and I will reopen my grid. Yes. And then I can also go on the left, and so on and so forth. And my goal is to prevent the sagging. Yes. So for this other project, this is not completed yet. I'm still working on it. And yeah, so far I've got this. So it's a ball that's when it goes inside the box, it's triggering a sound, and this sound is connected to Ableton Live directly. Yeah, so and this is like being suggested by Jacob that suggested me to have a look to this video and was very inspiring actually. It's like very interesting this video, and yeah, I'm working on some of these samples, and I'm trying to recreate them in TouchDesigner. The first one was the hot zones. So, and now I'm thinking about already like randomizing the movement of the ball, the sphere, and also maybe controlling. Why not with the Kinect? But these are like ideas. For the moment, I got this, so you will find it also this month. Yeah, and I will work also some other projects about Ableton and TouchDesign. The next project I'm working on is a Kinect render picker, and it's a selector. Basically, I can move my hand and then I can select one of the videos here. When I select it, it's selected. I can watch it, then I can put it back in the circle, and I can select another one just by using my hand. I think it's a really cool tool to make interactive projects. And for the last one, we have a similar project to the one before, but it's always a selector with a Kinect. So yes, but there is also an interface here where you can play the video, you can stop the video, you can change, like you can add the edge, you can play it faster or slower as you wish. So there is a slider to control the speed. There is a tune shader you can apply on it, or you can, yeah, make it black and white, and then all together you get this tune shader and the edges and the speed. And of course, you can change then the image, and you can do the same thing with also the other videos. So yeah, this was a very complex project to build up, at least for me. And yeah, you will find it. It's a Kinect render picker with an interface, and it's yeah, I think it's very useful. So yeah, so that's it for this month. I hope you like these projects I'm working on, and please let me know if you have any proposal or any ideas for other projects, if I'm capable, if I can do them. I'm really happy to help you with them. So with that said, so see you to the next month. And thank you for being there and supporting me with this journey on Patreon. Thank you, guys.